Ever wonder how some creators seem to be everywhere at once while you're still struggling to finish just one video? It is not magic, it is a system. And today I am showing you how to turn a single YouTube video into a massive stream of blog posts and social clips. I am Dom, and whether you script your videos or just hit record and wing it, this workflow is going to save you hours of work every single week. Step 1 is non-negotiable. You need a transcript of your audio or video to serve as the raw material for everything else you build. Tools like UniConverter or cloud services like Otter.ai can churn out these transcripts in minutes, giving you a searchable text document to work from. If you are dealing with SRT files, don't let the timestamps scare you off, because they are just time codes that you can easily strip away later. Once you have that transcript, you are going to feed it into an AI like ChatGPT to breathe new life into it as a polished blog post. Just tell the AI to adopt a conversational, first-person tone and make sure you add your own personal anecdote so it doesn't sound like a robot wrote it. Now you have an article, but if you stop there, you are leaving a massive amount of potential reach on the table. You need to take those long videos and chop them into bite-sized, high-engagement clips for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This is where Vizard becomes your best friend, because it uses AI to scan your footage and pull out the most viral, punchy moments automatically. Instead of manually scrubbing through hours of footage, let the tool handle the heavy lifting of finding the best sound bites. Consistency is the biggest hurdle for creators, but Vizard's auto-scheduler feature lets you set your posting cadence once and forget about it. You can plan out your entire week or month in the content calendar, ensuring that your articles and clips go live right when your audience is watching. While other tools like Descript or Kapwing are great for specific tasks, Vizard nails the sweet spot of editing, scheduling, and planning in one dashboard. Here is the exact workflow I follow. Record the long-form content, transcribe it, and turn that text into a blog post. Then, I upload the video to Vizard, let it slice up the viral clips, and hook those clips into my auto-scheduler. Don't forget to include the link to your blog post in the captions of those short clips to drive traffic back to your deeper content. Always remember to add captions to your videos, because a huge portion of your audience is watching without the sound turned on. You are essentially monetizing the same piece of content in two different ways: ads on your blog and reach on your social platforms. This system stops you from burning out and keeps your feed full of high-quality content without needing to create from scratch every single day. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to save it and hit that follow button so you don't miss my next deep dive into specific AI prompts. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.